like Julien Alfred in lane 6, having an outstanding race this afternoon for the Longhorns of Texas. We'll get her time momentarily. That's Julien Alfred. That time by Alfred, the fastest time in the country, 21:91.
The 2023 track and field season is now in full swing, and this weekend is no different. From seeing American Britton Wilson, who represents the University of Arkansas, run a world-leading time in the 400 meters hurdles of 53.23 seconds to win at the Tom Jones Invitational, and return the next day to win the 400 meters in a new collegiate record and world-leading time of 49.51 seconds to erase Athing Mu's 2019 collegiate record of 49.57 seconds. Kiara Grant became the 22nd Jamaican woman to run sub-11 with 10.99 seconds to win the 100 meters at the Tom Jones Invitational. Grant Hollway won the 110 meters hurdles with a world-leading 13.05 seconds at the Tom Jones Invitational, and Antiguan-American 400 meters hurdler Rai Benjamin ran a world-leading 400 meters hurdles time of 47.47 seconds to win at the Mount Sac Relays. Nia Ali also upset world record holder Tobi Amusan to win the 100 meters hurdles with a 12.53 second clocking at the Tom Jones Invitational. The weekend was filled with so many fantastic performances by our Caribbean athletes, and it was a lot to consume. But here is a top 10 countdown of the best performances by our Caribbean athletes. So, let's get off to a bullet start. Number 10. Lamara Distin clears 1.93 meters to place second in the high jump at the Mount Sac Relays. Multiple NCAA high jump champion and Texas A&M Aggie, Lamara Distin, had an undefeated indoor season and decided to begin the outdoor campaign at the 63rd Annual Mount Sac Relays. The high jump competition began with the bar being placed at 1.73 meters, but the Jamaican Distin decided to forego that height and began the competition at 1.83 meters. Distin continued to progress throughout the competition and cleared the bar at 1.93 meters. Vashti Cunningham of the United States was right there with Lamara Distin, and both of them attempted to clear the bar at 1.98 meters. However, only Cunningham was able to clear that height, which made her win the competition, and Distin placed second. Number 9. Keyshawn Strachan wins the Javelin with a throw of 76.97 meters at the Tom Jones Invitational. Bahamian Keyshawn Strachan, who represents Auburn University, has been undefeated in the Javelin this outdoor season. At the Tom Jones Invitational, Strachan continued his consistency by taking 4 attempts of 72.34 meters, 72.06 meters, 76.97 and 76.96 meters to win the competition. Jones continued to remain dominant and looks to put himself as the clear favorite to win the NCAA outdoor title in June. Number 8. Sachin Dennis runs a new personal best of 10.11 seconds to win the 100 meters at the Tom Jones Invitational. Jamaica's Sachin Dennis has been waiting to make a name for himself on the international stage since representing St. Elizabeth Technical High School, STETS, at the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships. At the Tom Jones Invitational, Dennis was able to get quite a fast start and maintained himself to the finish. In the end, he crossed the line in a new personal best of 10.11 seconds to erase his previous personal best of 10.15 seconds, done in 2021. Dennis will now look forward to gaining a spot for the Jamaican 100 meters team in July for the Budapest World Championships in August. If you are getting value from the presentation, we would greatly appreciate it if you would give this video a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for our next video. Thank you. Number 7. Jereem Richards runs a new 400 meters personal best of 44.68 seconds to win at the Tom Jones Invitational. Double Commonwealth Games 200 meters champion Jereem Richards of Trinidad and Tobago decided to visit the 400 meters at the Tom Jones Invitational. Richards, who is also a world indoor champion in the 400 meters, was able to run quite a tactical race as he pulled Alonzo Russell with him. Russell tried to catch him at the line, but it was not to be as Richards ran a new personal best of 44.68 seconds to be ranked number 6 in the world. Russell of the Bahamas was second in a massive personal best of 44.73 seconds, just outside of his previous personal best of 44.93 seconds done at this year's Miramar Invitational. Once both men continue being consistent in the event, then the sub-44 club could gain 2 additional members. Number 6. Rajay Hamilton runs a new personal best of 1 minute 45.91 seconds to win the 800 meters at the Tom Jones Invitational. Jamaica's Rajay Hamilton has been having quite a consistent season over the 800 meters. Hamilton was able to pace himself to run a strategic race to bring along his teammate Therese Roden with him. Hamilton crossed the line in a new personal best of 1 minute 45.91 seconds to win, and Roden was second in a new personal best of 1 minute 46.20 seconds. Both men will be chasing the World Championships qualifying standard of 1 minute 44.70 seconds in order to be in Budapest later this year. Number 5. Danniel Thomas Dodd throws 19.52 meters to win the shot put at the Tom Jones Invitational. 2019 Pan American Games shot put champion Danniel Thomas Dodd has entered the 2023 season with a new attitude, and her performance is proving to be more dominant. Thomas Dodd made her second outdoor shot put performance at the Tom Jones Invitational and decided to take all 6 attempts. She began the competition with a throw of 18.50 meters as she fouled on her second attempt, but her best mark came on her third attempt when she threw her third farthest throw of 19.52 meters to win the competition. With this throw of 19.52 meters, Danniel Thomas Dodd has now qualified for the Budapest World Championships, where she hopes to return to the podium. Number 4. Julien Alfred runs the fastest 100 meters by a collegiate athlete in all conditions with a time of 10.72 seconds.
And this is Heat 1, the 100 meters. That looks like Julien Alfred of Texas. 10.72.
Julien Alfred has been the most consistent runner in the NCAA this season, and she was able to prove that in her favorite event, the 100 meters at the Tom Jones Invitational. The St. Lucian native and the University of Texas athlete was able to get her usual fast start and separated herself from the rest of the field to cross the line in 10.72 seconds to win the race. Unfortunately, the win was 2.4 meters per second, just over the allowable 2.0 meters per second, so this performance will not count for record purposes. Julien Alfred still has her sights set on breaking Kiara Richardson's collegiate record of 10.75 seconds done at the 2019 NCAA Championships. Number 3. Stacey Ann Williams runs a new 400 meters personal best of 50.12 seconds to win at the Tom Jones Invitational. Jamaica's Stacey Ann Williams has become one of the most anticipated athletes to watch since competing for the University of Texas. Williams is an Olympic bronze medalist in the 4x400 meters and a world champion silver medalist in the event. Since running her previous personal best of 50.14 seconds to narrowly miss a spot on the Jamaican Olympic team in 2021 by placing 4th, Williams has been determined to become faster in the 400 meters. At the Tom Jones Invitational, Stacey Ann Williams was lined up in a star-studded field which had Aaliyah Abrams of Guyana and Brittany Brown of the United States, along with her teammates of Antoinette Knight, Leah Anderson, and Janelle Bromfield in the race. Stacey Ann Williams was able to run an excellent race to pace herself and cross the line in a new personal best of 50.12 seconds to be ranked as the 3rd fastest woman in the world. Number 2. Terrence Jones equals the Bahamian 100 meters record with a 9.91 seconds win at the Tom Jones Invitational.
From the inside, Anthony Presley, Warner Savage, Ash Jones, Lindsey Harding, and Austin. Terrence Jones of Texas Tech, let's get his time. 9:91, and the win is legal, everyone.
Terrence Jones of the Bahamas has been the most consistent male sprinter in the NCAA, and he was able to continue his dominance at the Tom Jones Invitational. In the 100 meters, Jones was able to get quite a credible start to separate himself from the field and cross the line in a world-leading 9.91 seconds. Jones's time of 9.91 seconds also equals Bahamian national record done by Derek Atkins in the 2007 Osaka World Championships, and overall the second Bahamian man to run sub-10 in the 100 meters. With Jones being so dominant this season, it would not be surprising to see him go sub-20 over the 200 meters as well. This week, the number 1 spot goes to Julien Alfred, who runs a new St. Lucian 200 meters record and a world-leading 21.91 seconds to win at the Tom Jones Invitational.
That looks like Julien Alfred in lane 6, having an outstanding race this afternoon for the Longhorns of Texas. We'll get her time momentarily. That's Julien Alfred. That time by Alfred, the fastest time in the country, 21.91.
After running the second fastest 200 meters indoor at 22.01 seconds to win at the NCAA Indoor Championships in March, most fans thought that Julien Alfred could go sub-22 outdoors, but no one thought that it would have been in her first race in the event. However, Alfred had other plans. At the Tom Jones Invitational, Julien Alfred was able to separate herself from her competitors to win in a new St. Lucian record and world-leading time of 21.91 seconds to become the first St. Lucian woman to run sub-22. With this performance, Julien Alfred should be able to challenge Abby Steiner's collegiate record of 21.80 seconds done in 2022 and could challenge for a medal in the event come time for the Budapest World Championships in August. This weekend was quite a fantastic one, as more of our Caribbean athletes will be opening their season in the coming weeks, and that should give fans an indication of their future performances. What do you think of our Caribbean athletes' performances so far in the 2023 season? Let us know your thoughts below. As always, we'd like to thank you for watching and remind you to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell as we celebrate our Caribbean athletes together. This is Chai Caribbean. See you in the next video.